We have sold more of this type of shrub than any other in the whole history of our company, and I don't think I've ever made a video about them, so it's time to rectify that situation. This is Dwarf Yaupon Holly. Now, we have made videos about the taller version of this plant, which is the Yaupon Holly, and the Yaupon Holly is pretty fascinating because it's the only plant native to North America that actually has caffeine in the leaves. And the dwarf yaupon is actually the same species, but it's a different subspecies that doesn't get so tall. Now, the reason why we sell thousands of these every year is because, well, they're just easy. They will grow almost anywhere in the landscape, from full sun to almost full shade. They're also tolerant of a wide range of soil types, from sandy to clay, from acidic to alkaline, and they have a very wide tolerance for humid and wet environments or more dry and arid environments. They're also deer resistant. They're going to grow best in zones 7 through 10. And one thing I like about them is they can be shaped beautifully if you just want to have some nice, meatball shaped hedges, or if you want to make them into a more of a straight hedge, you can do that as well. Or you can just kind of let them grow to their natural form, which is somewhat mounding. They usually grow to about 3 feet tall and wide, but they have been known to get as tall as 5 feet when they've been in the right place for long enough. But I actually prefer these more than I do the boxwoods when it comes to that more formal look and the hedge type look in the landscape. Anyway, I hope this was a fitting tribute to our best-selling shrub of all time.